Okay everyone, welcome back again to another Foxtecc video. This time we talk about how you can cancel your Amazon Music subscription. Now, this is something that you may be going through, but there are actually two ways how you can manage this type of stuff, right? So it really depends on how you started the subscription. Because if you have done it through the iPhone, if you have began that subscription using Apple Payments, you can easily just check it out inside of the settings. So you go to the settings of your iPhone, you go to the top, click on your profile right there, and then you can check out the subscriptions. So you're gonna just click on that, wait for it to load up, and you can see that I have one inactive subscription, but you would probably have one active called Amazon Music. So you would just click on it and I have the option to renew it, but you would have the option to cancel it. So yeah, that would be the first option, how you can check it out. It really just depends on if you have started it using this iCloud account or your Apple ID, essentially, right? So that's the first thing. However, you might not have it inside of here. Instead, you might only be able to find it inside of the Amazon account. So for this, I would recommend you to download the Amazon app. So open it up like this. And as you go in here, you are at the home section right there. And what you have to do is just to click on the profile at the bottom. At first, naturally, make sure that you're signed in, that you are logged in with your account. Once you do, just click on the profile section right here, click on your account, which is right there, and multiple different things. You can manage your orders as well, but if you scroll down long enough, you can also just manage your memberships. For example, here is Prime membership, so you can manage it here, or you can also see the memberships and subscriptions. So you're gonna click on that, and for example, I'm gonna have here Audible, I guess. So yeah, here's my canceled Audible subscription. But you can find something in here. Chances are that you would be able to find the Amazon Music here in this section. If you don't see your subscription, there is also a button to see your other stuff which you could be subscribed to. So you're gonna click on that, and this could be the Kindle newsstand subscription, subscribe and save, the Audible audiobooks, your orders, One Medical. So yeah, make sure to find it inside of this app. But as I said, these are the two main options how you can cancel your Amazon Music subscription. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll catch you in the next video in the future. Peace out until then.